Hello, welcome to the familycomputerclub.com. Today we will learn how to create a user form from which we can then capture the login name and the password. You might be used to this when you log into your Google or Yahoo email account, right? So let's see how this is done. We go to Developer, Visual Basic, Insert, User Form, and now we create a label which will have the caption name. There it is. We'll call this name. Then we'll have a text box next to it where the user will input the data. The input is name. Keep the name as text1. Now we'll take another label and we'll call it password. So there it is. So here it is. There we have the text box, and in this we will say password character and we'll put a star, so that when the user types in, people see only a star. Now we'll use a command button. We'll use only one, let's say, and we'll say capture data. Okay, so the caption will be capture data. Alright, so there is our user form. Now let's code it. So we double click on the command button and we code it. The first thing we need to do is find the empty row where the data can be captured. So the empty row works like this. So you have empty row is equal to sheet 1, because that's the name of our sheet, dot cells, and then we say rows dot count, comma 1. Then we go to the top of the page, then we offset from the top by one row dot row. This is a formula that's worth learning and keeping in mind, or keeping in a piece of paper, or keeping in a file. Now what we need to do is, whenever the user clicks on capture data, the data should go from the form onto the Excel worksheet. So we have cells, E row, that's where the data should go. 1 is the column, and from where would the data go? The data would go from text box, text box 1 dot text. It will be assigned to this cell, and the password will be assigned to the next column from text box 2 dot text, isn't it? So let's run this and see. So we'll run this here. There we have our form. We write here name, let's say Tom, and password anything like ASDFG, okay, or whatever you like, and you say capture data, then it goes there, isn't it? So we could have put a reset button here to clear this data and type again. So we could now say Jack and put in a new password, something like 123 ASDF, and capture data. You see, the data gets captured like this on your Excel worksheet. In the next video we'll see how we can then verify the user when he logs in by using this data. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.